Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'll be doing videos on women clothing and accessories. Welcome to Upbeat Treasure. Today I'm going to share my reviews on few tops of Myntra, and this is the first top. If you can see, this is a Fabule brand top. Here you can see the brand name and the size. And this is a completely floral top with pink and white color flowers in it. And if you can see the cloth, this is a crushed cloth with the green lining inside. This is not at all transparent, and this looks very decent and stylish. And here if you can see, this is not completely turtleneck, but it is a closed neck with frills from back and front and the back side. And in the back side you can see one button here. If you can see here, there is a button. This looks very good on navy blue and black color pants. And link I'll share it in the description. And coming to its price, I have purchased in some offer for 675 rupees. I'll share my pic after wearing so that you'll get to know how it looks after wearing. This is the next one, which is a mustard color tops with long sleeves, which has an elastic in the corner of that sleeves. And here you can see there are frills in the front and back side of the top, and these are all the frills. And this is a Max brand top. Here you can see the brand name and the size, and this is not at all transparent. If you can see the cloth here. And if you see the back side of this top, there are two threads which you can tie, and this hole is not too large. This opening is not too large. This is very comfortable to wear, and I have purchased this for 450 rupees. And I can share the link in the description, and you can see the image after wearing how it looks. This is the next top, which is a solid color, complete red color top, which looks very pretty on skirts and even on pants. Here if you can see, this is a sleeveless top. This is a sleeveless top, and this will come as a kind of overlayer, and you'll get the same neck size back in the front sides. And this is from the brand Rue collection, and I have purchased it for some 350 rupees on Myntra. Here also you can see there is an elastic on the bottom. It looks very good when you, and here also like it will be very tight when you wear, because here also there is elastics and here as well. So it looks very good on the light color skirts especially. And I can share the image after wearing this. This is the next top, which is of completely white color with the bird design and a pocket with collar, and it is a completely sleeveless top. You will not get any hands inside. And this is of brand La Firangi. This is one of the cheapest and the best price I ever got. I have purchased it for 200 in Myntra, and I'll share the description link, and I'll share the image how it looks after wearing. Coming to the next one, this is the second cheap and best we can say. I have purchased it for 250 rupees. This is of the brand Yardley. It's completely yellow color with some butterfly design all over. And this is of turtlenecks, which is a sleeveless top. And if you can see back side, it looks like this. This design will come all over, and you can fold the collar as well. It looks really pretty if you wear on pants, mostly on tight jeans. I'll share the link in the description, and I'll share my image as well how it looks after wearing. This is the next one, which is a black color top. Here you can see this is completely floral top with brown color flowers on it, and this is the sleeve. See the material. It looks very good. It is like liningless on sleeves and completely lining on the body with the black color. and here also you can see the elastic in the bottom of the top, and this material is really good and really stylish. This is a v-neck top with the brand Harappa. Here you can see the brand and the size name. This is how it looks, and if you see the back side of the top, it looks like this. And this I have purchased it for 450 rupees on Myntra. If available, I'll share the link in the description, and I'll share the image after wearing how it looks. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get all our notifications. If you would like us to share our review on anything related to women clothing and accessory, please do drop a comment.